Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the fantastic features of the Moretoes 64-piece set of 12-ounce plastic juice bottles with caps, perfect for all your beverage needs. This great value package includes 64 durable, food-grade PET bottles, each with a black tamper-proof cap, label, funnel, and brush, making them easy to clean and reusable for countless uses. These bottles are designed with a bottom diameter of 2.1 inches, a height of 6.3 inches, and a mouth width of 1.5 inches, providing the ideal size for storing your favorite juices, smoothies, iced teas, and more. The tamper-evident lids ensure a tight seal, preserving the freshness and flavor of your drinks while preventing any leaks. Whether you're planning a party, picnic, or camping trip, these versatile bottles are perfect for storing any DIY liquids you create. Just remember, the maximum temperature these bottles can withstand is 60 degrees Celsius, so avoid using them for hot liquids, microwaves, or dishwashers. When you first receive your bottles, simply turn the cap counterclockwise to open, and once filled, press and twist the cap clockwise to securely seal your drink. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.